Most people believe the only way to lower blood sugar is to stop eating carbs completely. That bread, off limits. That rice, dangerous. That fruit, forget about it. But what if I told you that's not exactly true? I'm Edu Rodrigues, pharmacist, biochemist, diabetes educator, and I've been living with type 1 diabetes for over 25 years. And today, here on Edu Diabetes in English, I want to share with you 9 powerful strategies to lower blood sugar naturally, even if you still eat carbohydrates. Let's get into it. The first strategy is simple, yet incredibly overlooked. Drink water first thing in the morning. Just 1 or 2 cups can help flush out excess sugar through your kidneys. When you're hydrated, your blood is more diluted. That means less concentrated sugar. And if you're not a fan of plain water, add some lemon, cucumber, or mint. It makes it refreshing and easier to stick to. Drinking water also helps regulate digestion, body temperature, blood pressure, and hormone balance, all essential for anyone with diabetes. And trust me, starting your day with water sets the tone for better choices throughout the day. Now let's talk about breakfast. And no, I'm not here to demonize food, but the way you start your morning makes a huge difference. When you wake up, your body is more sensitive to carbohydrates. That means your blood sugar will spike faster if you eat a high-carb breakfast. The solution? Eat a breakfast rich in protein and fiber. It helps control appetite, keeps you full, and stabilizes your glucose for hours. Think eggs with vegetables, Greek yogurt with berries and nuts, or a slice of whole grain toast with natural peanut butter. These meals help your body handle food more efficiently with less spikes and crashes. Strategy number 3 is something many of us depend on: caffeine. I get it. That morning coffee is sacred, but here's the thing. Caffeine can trigger a release of adrenaline, which then tells your liver to release glucose. That can lead to unexpected spikes in blood sugar. Am I telling you to quit coffee? No. Just keep it in check. Have it with a balanced breakfast that includes protein, or mix it with a scoop of protein powder. That's a great way to slow glucose absorption and avoid sudden spikes. Now let's talk about movement. This is the 4th habit, and it's a game changer. You don't need to hit the gym for an hour. A simple walk after your biggest meal can cut your glucose spike in half. That's not theory. That's what studies show. When your muscles are moving, they're using glucose for energy. So even 10 to 15 minutes of walking after a meal can have a real impact. And if you can do more, stretching, yoga, bodyweight exercises, even better. Movement improves insulin sensitivity, boosts your mood, supports weight control, and helps you sleep better. Now, on to habit number 5. Have an earlier dinner. Eating late at night is one of the worst things you can do for your blood sugar. After dinner, we tend to rest. The body prepares to sleep, not to burn calories. So if you eat a big meal at 9 or 10 p.m., your glucose will spike and your body will store more fat. Eating before 7 p.m., on the other hand, gives your body enough time to process that meal, burn more energy, and stabilize your glucose before bed. Plus, it improves sleep and reduces hunger the next morning. It's a small shift with a huge benefit. Now let's switch gears and talk about meat choices, because not all protein is created equal, especially when you live with diabetes. Let's start with a classic mistake: marbled steak. Sure, it's delicious, but that white fat running through the meat, that's saturated fat, and that contributes to inflammation and insulin resistance. If you eat steak, choose lean cuts like sirloin and eat it in moderation. The same goes for fried fish. Fish is healthy until you dip it in batter and deep fry it. That adds extra calories, unexpected carbs, and lots of sodium. Instead, grill, bake, or steam your fish. You still get the benefits without the harmful effects. Another one to watch out for: deli meats. They may look like a quick and easy source of protein, but they're loaded with sodium and preservatives like nitrates. These additives have been linked to insulin resistance and higher risk of type 2 diabetes. If you love sandwiches, cook your own chicken or turkey at home and slice it yourself. That way you control the ingredients. And of course, we can't skip bacon. Crispy, salty, flavorful, but problematic. Bacon is full of saturated fat and sodium, which can increase inflammation and blood pressure. The World Health Organization even classifies processed meats like bacon as cancer-causing. If you love bacon, look for plant-based alternatives or turkey bacon with lower fat and sodium. Last on the list of meats, grilled poultry with the skin on. It sounds healthy, grilled chicken, right? But the skin is packed with saturated fat, and when cooked at high heat, it forms compounds called ages, harmful byproducts that increase inflammation. If poultry is part of your diet, choose skinless cuts and cook them at lower temperatures. Baking, steaming, or roasting works great. Now, here's the good news. There are amazing plant-based protein options that are great for people with diabetes. Think beans, lentils, nuts, and seeds. These are rich in fiber, low in sodium, and packed with vitamins and minerals. The fiber slows glucose absorption and supports your gut health. Just a quarter cup of legumes can give you 10 grams of protein with fiber that stabilizes your blood sugar throughout the day. Toss some sunflower seeds into a salad or make a lentil stew. Delicious, nutritious, and diabetes-friendly. So let's wrap it up. You don't need to give up carbs completely. You don't need to live fear of food. And you don't need to suffer to control your diabetes. Here's what works. Start your day with water. Eat protein and fiber at breakfast. Enjoy your coffee, but balance it. Move your body even a little. Have dinner earlier. Be smart about meat and embrace plant-based protein. These are simple steps, but when you apply them consistently, they transform your health. If this video helped you, hit the like button, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe to the channel Edu Diabetes in English for more real-life strategies that actually work. You're not alone in this journey, and every small change brings you closer to the life you want. Healthy, balanced, and full of energy. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.